Yeah, Brett Eldridge. Look, I've had this truck for 2 years now. I bought it like 2 years ago. COVID kicked in, and I work on an oil and gas platform off the coast of Western Australia at Exmouth, fly in, fly out. So I was stuck over there for 9 months, and actually when COVID broke, I've been in trucks my whole life. I've always driven, always done it. But then I started watching a few things about guys with old trucks, and didn't realise I could actually get one and do the Club Rego thing. So then I started looking around a series like a few years ago for an old truck, and yeah, this one come up. I had one in mind and it fell through, so I bought this one sight unseen down in Melbourne, and so I give the guy a $1,000 deposit. Went to work for 3 weeks, hoping he kept it for me, and he did, true to his word. And I went down to Melbourne, picked it up, and it's been like a 2-year little labour of love. A bit of therapy, mate, you know. Good friends of mine own a transport company at Warrnambool, George MacDonald and Sons, and I virtually just work for them every now and then for a bit of pocket money and use their facility there, the yard, so that's where I've done the rebuild. It was going to auction, and BTB Drilling had it. The last 15 years of its life it spent pulling a directional drill around with a flat top, so I didn't do too much work, with a drop deck, sorry. And then before that, it was owned by Vince Ballerini from New, and from what I can gather and people talk to, he's a pretty fastidious sort of guy, and he babied it and looked after it, so it's pretty original. It's got, it's original motor, driveline, everything. Inside's like brand new, so it's really been looked after. 444 Cummins, 13 non-pre-select overdrive on 3.7s. So yeah, it gets up and marches. It's a good old thing. It's super tight. It's all original paintwork still. I just got the lines and scrolls done. But it was pretty much pink, and it was really old and faded. So it took a lot to get it back. Just cut it right back and took everything off and just sprayed the chassis. But it was all done in the yard, out in the open. So there was nothing professional about it. Just all mates kicking in, give us a hand to do it. So yeah. Look, when I first got it going, I put it on the road for 3 months. With my work, but I go away for 3 weeks at a time. I go away for 3 weeks and get 4 weeks off. So it's sort of hard, but I'm going to put Rego on it when I get back from work next time, and just do a little bit of local stuff with it, and the occasional interstate trip, just because I just want to take it. I just love driving it. Yeah, just take it away, mate. Yeah.